Okay, there's Power BI Desktop and there's Power BI Service. Power BI Desktop here, once we've clicked that, we bring it up and we are then greeted with either blank report or we are able to add data sources from either Excel, CSV, etc. And this is the main building blocks where you add the visuals, you add the slices, you add your data, your measures, and then eventually you publish it to the service. This is now the service. This is the finished product when you're happy, which you're able to interact with the data itself. So everything is interactive, as you can see. And here you're able to export, you're able to add users, depending on the tenants you got. So they're the differences between the desktop where you build it and the service where you use it.